Picture this. It's December 31st, 2025. You've crushed your goals. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life. And your relationships? Stronger than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Now, here's the truth. This isn't just a dream. It can be your reality. And I'm about to show you the one game-changing habit that will get you there. Let me ask you something. How many times have you set New Year's resolutions only to give up by February? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack motivation. It's because you're overwhelmed, trying to do it all at once. But what if I told you, there's one simple habit that can change everything? It doesn't require fancy apps. It doesn't take hours of your time. And it's the secret weapon behind every successful person you admire. It's called daily reflection. Here's how it works. At the end of each day, take just 5 minutes. Grab a journal, sit in silence, and ask yourself these 3 powerful questions. 1. What went well today? 2. What could I improve? 3. What's my plan for tomorrow? That's it. This small habit rewires your brain for success. It stops you from living on autopilot and makes sure every single day is a step toward your goals. A few years ago, I felt stuck, like I was spinning my wheels, doing everything but getting nowhere. Then I started this habit. At first it felt pointless. I thought, what can 5 minutes really do for me? But within a month, everything changed. I spotted the distractions holding me back. I focused on what actually mattered. And that clarity, it turned into action. By the end of the year, I hit my fitness goals, doubled my income, and rebuilt my confidence, all because I made reflection non-negotiable. Here's the thing. Most people don't fail because they lack talent or resources. They fail because they lack awareness. Reflection is your chance to check in, course correct, and stay on track. So here's your challenge. Tonight, take just 5 minutes. Write down one thing you're proud of, one thing you'll improve, one action you'll take tomorrow. Do this for 7 days. And I promise, you'll start seeing results. But don't stop here. If you're serious about making 2025 the year you finally break through, watch this next video. Stop wishing, start doing. It's packed with strategies to keep you moving forward. Your breakthrough starts today. Let's make it happen.